the score-block zone, and into the orange, yellow and orange crosses. So, ladies and gentlemen, as they land, it's Flight Sergeant Mike McGuire from Nottingham, Sergeant Gary Nicholson from Concept in County Durham, Sergeant John Parkers from Gainsborough in Lincolnshire, Sergeant Carl Harris from Middlesbrough, Sergeant Dave Warboys from Sheringham in Norfolk, Sergeant Rob Priestley from Middlesbrough, Sergeant Liam Lyons from Worcester, Sergeant Scott Garrett from Auckland in New Zealand, and Sergeant Chris Williams from Glenman in South Wales. So they're all landing down here on the beach. Just moving around a little just to see them all landing, yes. And what they're trying to